Hello everybody, you are welcome to my channel on Passive AS and News. Today I am going to discuss about the fact why we should join into OnPassive and also the latest update of IT company OnPassive. You may know that internet marketing is the biggest marketing system nowadays, from which millions of dollars are generated as a revenue per minute by the various IT companies such as Facebook, Google, Amazon, etc. This revenue are generated through the more than 450 billion internet users, and the users are growing day by day. In the end of 2030, this number will be crossed more than 700 billions. From these users, the internet marketing is growing bigger to biggest marketing system in future. In this preview, OnPassive, the brainchild of S. Mufareh, the CEO of OnPassive, targeted these users by giving the utmost facilities through all the AI-based products are ready to come into force and also ready to create the history in the internet system. How can give the financial freedom as large as possible in this world was the dream of S. Mufareh, and you may be the last person of your family who is crying for money in your life, but OnPassive is ready to subside this problem forever from your life by the help of the revenue generating system of internet marketing. So everybody are asked to join the journey of OnPassive to support the mission and the vision of OnPassive, such that everybody could free from the slave of economic condition forever. OnPassive is the biggest life-changing opportunity in this world ever have been seen before. Though OnPassive is in pre-launching stage, mega soft launching process is in progress. A large number of people around the world, more than 8,60,000 are joined as a founder in OnPassive. The opportunity is to joining OnPassive as a founder is closed very shortly. So you are asked to hurry up for taking the opportunity. Now it's time to close today. I asked everyone to subscribe my channel, still not done it. With thanks, we are in it to win it.